brisket mouth.
Well, you know what? Your album is in stores.
Where's the store?
Right?
Moving up. You got a boy, girlfriend, check that thing now. Ready to go right now. Come on, ready to go right. That's how I go, right?
The joint. That's the joint. Mr. John Legend, he's the scholar in the gym.
Where is John? How come he ain't show?
He probably just getting to town.
Yeah, okay.
We just got here.
Front on us.
Okay.
Don't front on us.
Don't
front on us.
I bet you ain't no chitlins.
I know one thing. December 16th gonna get my album. I ain't gonna front. I'm coming.
Hello. So, Raph, what's the title of your album?
My album's titled The Way I See It.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been out since September. It's going for a full push in January. But I've been over in Europe a lot, so now I'm back in the States and
That's good.
trying to bring it back to the States.
Yo, you bang with Raphael? Do you listen to his music?
Of course. You know what? I think you gotta understand, like, I've always said this, and I know it won't happen.
We're neighbors. We actually neighbors.
Yeah, but I know, and he allowed me to come into the studio and work on my album. You know
Does he borrow Kool-Aid from me?
I mean, if he needs it.
Does he drink Kool-Aid?
I don't drink Spiked, maybe. A little Spiked Kool-Aid, you know what I'm saying?
Jamie House is like the breakfast spot after the club.
Yeah.
Not the new house, the old house. The new house is too far to go eat breakfast after the club.
But I had a party. You didn't come to that party.
I heard about it.
Yo, I threw a party. It was like 1,500 people at my party. I knew it was 1,500 people because I'm ghetto. Because I had 1,500 plastic cups. And we went through all the plastic cups. I said, I know y'all niggas ain't going through all the plastic cups. So it was 1,500 plastic cups. Chris Brown showed up.
Was he drinking?
Chris Brown, no, he wasn't drinking. But
You lying.
No, he wasn't. He wasn't
He
drinking.
puffs too.
No, he wasn't drinking.
Oh, yes, he does.
I can't put that little young man out there. All I know, he showed up at 10:30. I saw him at 10:30. I didn't see him till 3 when he left. Was he with
Rihanna or somebody else?
No, he was by. He's like, yeah, all right, Fox, man, that's too much. I gotta get out of here.
It's too many doors up there.
You better get on the Sesame Street, boy. You little young ass running around here.
You know what?
So we had a ball. You missed that part, but it was crazy. It was crazy, and it was like 11 to 1, and it was crazy. And I had the jacuzzi running. The jacuzzi. I had the jacuzzi. My jacuzzi stays at 104, and my pool stays at 89, 91 all year long.
That's some hot jacuzzi.
I'm just trying to tell you.
That don't sound right, Jamie.
Yeah, I want you to get in there and let go.
That's some hot jacuzzi. Yo.
He can get some parties.
He can do?
He can get some parties.
I used to do this little thing called After Dark at my crib, and Raphael would come through, and Dwayne would come through, and basically like 2 o'clock in the morning, like different musicians and artists would come to my house and like play, like unplugged. Like I had Brian McKnight singing songs that he did for Justin Timberlake. I had Puffy, Maya, Missy, Tweet. What's my big man's name from the sing that was on American Idol?
I don't know, but speaking, Ruben, yo, pause that thought. Can I ask you a question real quick?
What's going on?
I just, shut up, yo, shut up. You done said a whole bunch of stuff you ain't been saying while I'm on the air.
You're right.
You know what I mean? This is my palace, and this is what I do,
I'm so
okay?
sorry.
Now, unless you want me to
palace.
B-slap you, you shut up.
You're right, I'm going to shut up.
Now, ain't your birthday the 13th?
My birthday is the 13th. I'm sad.
Okay, I got a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you kiss me like you kiss Fantasia?
Yes, I can.
Get up.
Okay, that's too much.